Hello viewers, very good morning. Welcome to our Krishna YouTube channel. Today we are going to see some prod-based company job opportunity for freshers, which is very well-known prod-based company across the globe. Let's see the job in detail in this video. Before that, as usual, our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying the same thing. I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers. In case if anyone of the company asks you to pay the money, please do not pay the money. Why? Because it might be big. Also, if you are pay any of the amount, please, I'm not the responsible person for that. Please keep in mind. Okay, then let's see the job detail right away. Yes, the company name called Amazon. Amazon hiring fresher software test quality services associate. So everybody knows very well, right? Amazon is a very huge product based company. They are just ruling across the globe, so everyone wish to work Amazon, like product based company like Amazon. So again I'm saying, please do not miss this opportunity as a fresher. Also try to avoid the last time rush to apply this position. So whenever you are seeing the job notification, please have a look, go through the JD. So if you are fine with the JD, please check it out whether it is a genuine notification or not. If it is a genuine, then please apply the job right away. Don't hesitate for anything. Don't waste your time. Why? Because lot of freshers is fighting, lot of freshers sharing the resume into the HR panel. So it's very difficult to filter out the resumes while you are sharing your resume in the last moment. Yes, let's see the job description. The designation they are just looking for associate quality services, that is QS. Qualification they are just looking for bachelor's and master's degree. Experience they are looking for freshers and experience. Mainly this job notification only for the freshers. Skill set, they are having good knowledge in the QA side, that is manual testing. They are having familiar with the MS Office. They should have a good knowledge in the data analysis and Excel. So these are the skill set. Again I'm just saying the same thing. Once you are got hired in the company, for sure they are going to give you the training before deploy you into the project. So even though if you are experienced, they should give some knowledge about the application. Then only you should get understanding about the application. Then only you can able to do either it is a development or testing. So it's a common thing. So you never worry about those things. Please try to place anyone of the company as per your wish. So coming to this point. So in this video, Amazon hiring, right? Try to grab this opportunity as soon as applying this post, very quick. The location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Okay, so who ready to work for the Chennai location, please apply this post. I hope which is the hybrid mode, that I didn't mention the work mode here. So all the companies are trying to follow the same hybrid mode across the India. They started to follow. I hope this is also the hybrid mode. I didn't the job notification. I didn't see any work mode. The link I just given as usual. I supposed to give the same into my description box, so you can apply the same over there. Please do it ASAP. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this job notification is very useful for you. In case if you feel which is not relevant for you, in case if you are not interested for the testing role, please share the same to your colleagues who are looking for the job opportunity in the testing field. Okay, again, if you feel the video is very helpful for you, then please share, subscribe and like, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get all my recent job notification. Thank you so much viewers for watching this video. Thank you one more time. Thanks again. Bye.